Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Back in the old days, many Hakka couldn't afford expensive mooncakes, so instead they blended yams to make yam cakes, which became known as Hakka mooncakes. These yam cakes are circular and flat and look just like a shining full moon. Hakka mooncakes are a great example of Hakka people's adaptability and frugality.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And you know, we just had a huge festival here in Taiwan. It's called the Mid-Autumn Festival. 其实才刚过了一个非常大的节日嘛，叫做
半夜班。
半夜班，对，以前有教过，我知道，这就是中秋节。
是的。
That's how you say Mid-Autumn Festival in Hakka because it's the 15th day of the 8th lunar calendar month. And so, 半夜 is the 8th month, 班 is halfway through it. So, 半夜班就是8月班的意思。
就8月15的意思。
哎，中秋节有过得好吗？
中秋节还好啊，吃了很多的捏拱饼啦。
捏拱饼啊，捏拱饼就是月饼吗？
可以说是月饼，但是这是客家人的。
其实客家人有自己类似月饼的东西，就对了，叫做
捏拱饼。
捏拱饼，
但是那个饼是圆圆的，就像满月一样，然后它是圆圆扁扁的，里面包是什么东西呢？地瓜、番薯。
番薯哦，不是包什么豆沙，不是包什么枣泥，是番薯。
不是，因为客家人他传统那个番薯是比较容易栽种的那些作物嘛。
对。
但你说红豆啦那些东西，其他的就比较麻烦啊。所以就是
It's simpler, it's more direct, it's more accessible. Again, it's called 捏拱饼。
捏拱饼。
捏拱饼。So actually, the Hakka has been traditionally been putting yam paste inside of these moon cakes, and it's a different type of moon cake. 其实它的形状是一样的吗？还是跟我们传统看到的这种月饼比较厚啊？可能大概3
我们那个客家人的捏拱饼它是圆的，然后但是它的很扁扁的，
扁扁的。
对
，OK， 所以吃起来可能可以吃多一点，对不对？
也可以这么说啦。
Let's review these terms. For Mid-Autumn Festival 就是8月半中秋节。
半夜班。
半夜班 ，and then you have these moon cakes， 其实它是叫月光饼，对不对？
是的。捏拱饼，
捏拱饼 ，and then inside you can find some yam， 可以有地瓜在里面。
番薯
，okay. And there you have it. More information about Mid-Autumn Festival. And that does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么大家？
俺是谁张来了？
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.